kids! Good day! Welcome to another video lesson for quarter 3. I am Teacher Ella and I will be your math teacher for today. Are you ready? That's great!
Our lesson for today is about finding the elapsed time in minutes and seconds. Do you have any idea about our lesson? Alright, let's see. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to find the elapsed time in minutes and seconds. Are you ready? Okay. Before we start our lesson, let us have a review. Fill in the missing terms in the given number sequence. What have you observed from this given number sequence? Let's try to answer. What will be the answer on number 1? If your answer is 18 and 28, you are correct. Now, let's answer letter B. If your answer is 22 and 26, you are correct. Good job, kids! Let us read and analyze the given problem. Aliyah participated in the barangay feeding program for the families who were at the evacuation center. She started to cook arroz caldo at 4:10 a.m. and finished at 4:50 a.m. How long did Aliyah cook the arroz caldo? Now, I want you to answer these questions. Number 1, what is asked in the problem? Number 2, how will you solve the given problem? Now, class, I'm going to give you 20 seconds to answer this question. Your time starts now. Let us see if we got the same answer. You can get the answer by finding the elapsed time. What do we mean by elapsed time? Elapsed time is the length of the time when an event happened from the start to the end. You can use a number line to solve for the answer. Start counting from 4:10 by 5 seconds up to 4:50 to get the elapsed time. The answer is Aliyah cooked arroz caldo for 40 minutes. But you can also count the number of minutes from the time Aliyah started cooking to the time she finished cooking by using a chart. Okay? You can try also subtracting 4:10 from 4:50. Alright. Let's start with 4:50. Think 4:50 as 4 hours and 50 minutes. And Think 410 as 4 hours and 10 minutes. Then, subtract the time when the event started from the time the event ended. And the elapsed time is 40 minutes. Alright, class, let us solve this. Let's start in number 1. 9:25 to 9:50. Number 2, 10:15 to 10:36. And number 3, 12:45 to 12:59. Okay, are you done? Let's see the answer. If your answers in number 1 is 25 minutes, you are correct. Number 2, 21 minutes. And number 3, the answer is 14 minutes. Now, class, let's go back to the problem. What Filipino values can you give based on the given problem? Next question is, being part of the feeding program, what safety tips can you give in preparing food? Alright, now class, let's move on to another level. How about if regrouping is needed? Let us read the problem. Nolly helped his mother pack relief goods for the barangays affected by the typhoon. They began at 8:45 a.m. and ended at 9:25 a.m. How long did they pack relief goods for the barangays affected by the typhoon? You may subtract 8:45 from 9:25. Let's start with 9:25. Think 9:25 as 9 hours and 25 minutes. And think 8:45 as 8 hours and 45 minutes. Rename 1 hour as 60 minutes. 9 hour becomes 8:60. Add 60 and 25 minutes. It will become 8:85. Then, subtract 8:45 from 8:85. Write the answer with label. And the answer is, they packed the relief goods for 40 minutes. Okay, let's have more activities. Find the elapsed time shown in each number. Let's start with number 1, 2, and 3. Next, let's answer number 4 and 5. Now class, if you are done answering our activity, let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, if your answers is same with mine, you are correct. Good job, kids! Now, let's do another activity. Complete the table by filling in the elapsed time. Write your answer on a sheet of paper. Now, let's check your answer. If your answer is same with mine, you are correct. Okay, class, answer this and send them to me via email or messenger, okay? Okay, class, if you are done, I have a question. What is elapsed time? And how do you find elapsed time? Okay. Choose your answer from the choices given inside the box below and write your answer on a sheet of paper. Okay. Are you done? Now, to find the elapsed time, you can use the following. Number 1, use a number line. Number 2, count the number of seconds or minutes by using a chart. And number 3, subtract the time when the event started from the time event ended. Alright, kids, I want you to find the elapsed time. Number 1, 4:15 to 4:30. Number 2, 6:45 to 6:55. Number 3, 7:15 to 7:22. Number 4, 5:15 to 6:55. And number 5, 4:30 to 5:25. Okay? If your answers is same with mine, you are correct. Okay. Class, let us solve a problem, okay? If you get to school at 6:45 a.m. and left home at 6:15 a.m., how long did it take you to get to school? I am going to give you 5 seconds to answer the problem. Okay. If your answer is 30 minutes, you are correct. For the last activity in our lesson, find the elapsed time using the following chart. Write your answer on a sheet of paper. Our program started at 2:25 p.m. and ended at 3:10 p.m. How long did the charity program take place? Okay, now, class, I want you to write all the learning you had acquired from today's lesson. Okay, I want you to complete the sentence below. I learned that. Okay, write your answer. Next is, I understand that. Okay, very good, kids. Good job.
And that's the end of our lesson for today. I hope you have learned something new from Teacher Ella. Thank you and see you in another exciting, fun, and wonderful video lesson. Goodbye, kids!